Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos State. And to you all my new subscribers, thank you guys. Thank you for subscribing. You're welcome to this amazing community. And to you all my old and returning subscribers, thank you guys. You guys are the best. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect okra soup, okay? So without wasting much of your time, let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. Please guys, do not skip my ad, okay? Always watch my ad. It's another way you can support your girl, okay? So guys, let me go ahead now to introduce my ingredients for this recipe. These are my ingredients I'm going to be using to prepare this okra soup. I'm using two leaves here. I have uziza leaf and ugu leaf. So this is what the uziza leaf looks like, and then this is what the ugu leaf looks like. You can use anyone. You can use just the uziza or the ugu leaf. So I'm using mackerel fish here. I'm going to be roasting this fish. Roasted mackerel fish is a game changer in okra soup. I have my crayfish here, and then already diced okra. Okay, this is how I want this one to look like. This is how I want this soup to look like. You can grate yours, you can slice yours tinier than this, is your choice. Okay, and I have yellow pepper here. Yellow pepper is a game changer in soup. Okay, and this is my beef. I'll be using this beef to prepare this okra soup. So guys, let's start now by cooking our meat. Okay, I have my seasoning cube, my salt, and my palm oil for this soup. Adding in my meat now, and then I'll be going in with my seasonings, and firstly I will go in with my diced onions. And then I will go in with my red pepper. I'm using red pepper too for this soup. This is dried blended red pepper. I'm also going to be adding in my yellow pepper. Okay, you can just use just the yellow pepper. Okay, if you don't like spicy food, I like spicy food, so that's why I'm adding the both of them. And I'm going to be using this Maggi Star seasoning cube. I'm using the Maggi Star seasoning cube, and I will be using just the two of them. Okay, and I'm going to be adding it to my soup now. I'm going to mix everything to combine. Because our meat is frozen, I'm just going to mix everything to combine. I won't be adding water at this point because I'm trying to build up flavor for our soup. Okay, I'm just going to mix up everything to combine. Then I will cover this pot, allow it to steam on low heat for 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes later, and our beef has still had its own juice. As you can see, the liquid they are seeing here is the juice from the beef. Okay, so now I'm just going to add in water, enough water to cook my soup. Okay, the amount of water you add is dependent on the quantity of soup you want to cook, or how thick you want your soup to be. Like if you want really thick soup, you can just go in with a little water. Okay, but if you don't want as in really thick soup, you can add in much, not really much water, just enough to cook your soup. Okay, so because I don't like thick soup, I'm just going in with this amount of water for my soup. Okay, I'm just going to stir everything together, and then I will cover this pot. I will allow this meat to cook. Okay, so guys, while the meat is cooking, I will go ahead now to start preparing my mackerel fish for smoking. Okay, and this is my fish. I've already washed it, I've cleaned it up and dried it. As you can see, it's looking very neat. Okay, so right now I'm just going to apply salt. It's looking very neat. I've washed everything is looking so neat. So now I'm just going to apply salt on the fish. I'm going to use the salt to massage on the fish very well so that it can penetrate inside the fish. Okay. So now we are going to be doing it like the ones we see in the market. I'm just going to fold it like this, and then I'll open the mouth of the fish and put the tail inside the mouth of the fish, and then I will use my toothpick to hold it together just like this. This is it, very easy. Then we are going to repeat the same process with the other fish. So guys, we still repeat the same process. Open the mouth of the fish, open the mouth of the fish, put the tail inside the mouth of the fish, then hold it with your toothpick. So this is it. I'm just going to put this in my air fryer and smoke it. Okay. So guys, this is what our fish is looking at after smoking it. It came out so well. This is how our fish is looking like. So right now we'll continue cooking our soup. Okay, if you have watched me up to this point, it means you're enjoying this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section. Okay, and back to our soup, guys. So now we are just going to be adding in our next ingredient, and I'll just be going in with my blended crayfish now, or my grated crayfish. I'll add in my crayfish. I'll go in with everything because in this kitchen we don't waste anything. Okay, I'll be adding in my salt. I'll go in with my smoked fish. I'm going to mix everything to combine. And then I will go in with my palm oil. I'll just cover this pot now and allow it to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, please guys, do not skip my ads. Okay, if you're watching my video and ad pops up on my video, please watch the ad. That's another way you can support me. Okay, don't skip my ad, always watch my ad. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and like the video. Okay, leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section. Okay, thank you very much, guys. So guys, I'll be adding in my okra now. I'm going to mix everything together. At this point, you don't want to cover your pot anymore because you don't want your okra to change its color. You still want that vibrant color. Okay, if you cover your pot, your okra is still going to drop, but it's going to change color. So I'm just going to mix everything and then I will go in with my leaf. Okay, you have to be careful now not to overcook your okra because okra is vegetable, and if you overcook it, it's going to change color too. So I'll just go in with my vegetables now. Just cook it for a few seconds, okay, and then I'll add in my vegetable. That's my uziza leaf and my pumpkin leaf. If you don't like much vegetables in your soup, it's okay, all right, just do you. Okay, but I like much vegetables in my soup, that's why I'm adding in this much vegetables in my soup. So I'm going to mix everything now to combine. At this point, you don't want to overcook your soup. Once you have mixed everything together, just turn off your heat because the soup is ready. Okay, the leaf is going to cook with the heat. Okay, there's no need to still leave your cooker on. Just turn off the heat. Okay, and your okra at this point, your soup at this point is ready, guys. Look how yummy and delicious this soup is looking like. This soup came out so delicious, so yummy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, share our video to your friends, share to your family, and do not forget to leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section. Okay, I have another okra soup recipe, another, that one is frying method. I'll be leaving the link on this video, so please do well to check it out. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Until I come here one next time, stay safe, bye.